Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your HP printer is showing the E0 error code, it usually means there's a cartridge-related problem. The printer may not be detecting the cartridge properly, the cartridge may not be installed correctly, or the cartridge contacts may need cleaning. So in this video, I'll show you the complete step-by-step fix in a simple way so you can solve the HP printer E0 error and get your printer working again. First, make sure your printer is turned on and placed on a flat surface. After that, check the printer display or control panel. If you see the E0 error, do not try to print again and again, because the printer needs us to check the cartridge area first. Now, open the cartridge access door carefully. Once the door is open, wait until the cartridge carriage moves to the center and becomes completely silent. Keep in mind, do not touch or force the carriage while it is moving, because this can damage the printer. Once the carriage stops, check both cartridges carefully. Make sure the black cartridge is installed in the black cartridge slot and the color cartridge is installed in the color cartridge slot. If the cartridges are placed in the wrong slots, the printer may show the E0 error. Next, remove the cartridge gently. Hold it from the sides and avoid touching the copper-colored contacts or the ink nozzle area. If this is a new cartridge, check whether the orange protective tape is still attached. If the tape is on the cartridge, remove it completely, because the printer cannot detect or print correctly if this tape is not removed. After that, insert the cartridge back into the correct slot. Push it gently until it clicks into place. The cartridge should sit firmly and should not feel loose. Then, repeat the same check for the second cartridge. Once both cartridges are installed correctly, close the cartridge access door properly. Now, wait for the printer to recognize the cartridges. If the E0 error disappears, load plain white paper into the input tray and try printing a test page. If the error is still showing, then the cartridge contacts may be dirty. So now, turn off the printer and disconnect the power cable from the back. After that, open the cartridge access door again and remove the cartridges carefully. Next, take a clean, dry, lint-free cloth. Gently wipe only the copper-colored contacts on the cartridge. Do not wipe the ink nozzle area. If you see dust or ink inside the cartridge slot, clean it gently as well. Be careful and do not apply too much pressure. Once this is done, wait a few minutes so everything becomes completely dry. Then, reinstall the cartridges into their correct slots. After that, close the cartridge access door and reconnect the power cable. Now, turn the printer on and wait until it is ready. Then, check the display again. If the E0 error is gone, print a test page to confirm that the problem is fixed. If the error is still showing, check whether you are using the correct cartridge number for your exact HP printer model. HP printers only accept specific cartridge numbers, so even if a cartridge looks similar, it may not work with your printer. Also, if your printer is new, make sure you are using the setup cartridges that came inside the printer box. Some HP printers require setup cartridges during the first installation. If you use a different cartridge during the first setup, the printer may show a cartridge error. Next, check the cartridge condition. If the cartridge is damaged, leaking, dried out, empty, or not compatible, the printer may reject it. In that case, replace it with the correct compatible HP cartridge for your printer model. Now let's try one final reset. Keep the cartridges installed and close all printer doors. Then, with the printer turned on, unplug the power cable from the back of the printer. After that, wait for 60 seconds. Once 60 seconds are complete, reconnect the power cable directly to the wall outlet and then connect it back to the printer. Now, turn the printer on and let it start completely. If the printer asks for cartridge alignment, allow it to print the alignment page and complete the alignment process. This step is important because after installing or reinstalling cartridges, some HP printers need alignment before they can print normally. Finally, try printing again. If the page prints successfully, your HP printer E0 error code is fixed and the cartridge problem is solved. Keep in mind, if the E0 error still does not go away after following all these steps, the cartridge may be faulty, incompatible, or there may be an internal printer issue. In that case, you may need technical support. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay connected for more HP printer troubleshooting guides.